So this is my video for the taping of the arch. So I'm going to start off with my 1.5 inch tape, and I'm going to lay my anchor down. And then I'm trying to make that loose enough on the foot, and then now I'm going to grab my 1-inch tape and I'm going to start at the top of that anchor and then go down around the heel and make sure I'm going high enough on the heel. And then I'm going to bring that around, creating the teardrop, and then I'll stop that right where I started. Making sure I'm smoothing out the tape as I go. And now I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the first one, but on the opposite side of the foot. Making sure I stay above the heel and then going around to create that teardrop again. And then I'll end on the other side where I started. Again, I'm smoothing the tape down. And now I'm going to go back to that first side and I'm going to repeat that step for a second time. I'll continue to do this process until I've done it 3 times on each side of the foot. Making sure I stay above the heel. And now I'm finishing up here. I'm covering up all of the open spots I had on the foot. I'm starting at the bottom. And then I'll just continue to cover up the spots until all of those are covered up on the bottom. Then I'll move to the top, anchor those down, and that is my taping for the arch of the foot.